So we're going to take a look at the NPTCL wireless microphone set. This was sent out for review, but I'm going to share my own opinions on this. It's a wireless microphone set. We'll see what comes in the box and how it works. And I'm going to test to see if I could use it with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is really made for phones, like iPhone or Samsung. So when I open this up, this is what it looks like. You get these little wind muffs here, a lightning adapter, which is nice because my iPhone has a lightning port, but this is a USB-C set. You get this really cool little drawstring bag. That way you could put all these in like this. It's really small scale here. And then I assume this is the charging cable here. So what's cool is you could charge this case and it'll charge these microphones for you. And then you get a user manual inside here. So we'll take a look at what comes in here. So you get your receiver here, which is a USB-C on the end. And like I said, it comes with a lightning adapter. So if I wanted to use that, I could just put that straight over here. Then I could plug that into my iPhone. But newer iPhones have the USB-C, and a lot of other brands use USB-C as well. So I really like the black and yellow kind of offsets each other. And you get these little microphones here. The only thing to note is you cannot put these inside of here. There's no room, so you're gonna have to use this little bag here to make sure you keep up with all these little pieces. And you want to remove the plastic off the bottom. It has these little magnets here. That is for the charging. And what's neat, it shows these are red and it shows them charging here. Now if I close this, it's showing that it's indicating that it's charging. But if I pull this out, it'll say a number on the side what it's charged at. So 91%. Right now you're hearing the DJI Mic Mini. I'm using that with my Osmo Pocket 3. But I'll try to record with my iPhone here and I'll plug it in and we'll see what it sounds like. And I'll switch to that so you can see me and hear me. So I'm going to put this adapter on. Going to plug that right in there. So now you can see how far it sets out. That's because of the adapter. One thing to note with the receiver, it's a little loose connection. I think it's because of my case. They're both paired because they're green. You have to charge this with the cable because it doesn't look like there's any way to charge the receiver. It only charges the transmitters. So what I'll do is do a video. This is just standard audio coming from the iPhone so you can get an idea of how it sounds before we test out these mics. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2. Right now you're hearing the DJI mic going to the DJI Osmo Pocket. We're going to test this mic here. So check 1 2, check 1 2. Can you hear me? Check 1 2. Now if I lower it, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 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 1 2. Another thing to keep in mind is that it only has the clip. So there's no magnet. Whereas this one I have attached to my shirt with a magnet. This one does not. So I'll just clip it onto my shirt right here. So check 1 2. Now you can hear the mic there. Check 1 2. And I'll switch back to the DJI mic so you can just hear what it sounds like, a different scenario compared to this microphone. So this is what you're hearing connected to the iPhone. Check 1 2, check 1 2. I will say with the adapter, it could kind of lose its connection a little bit, and it may just be because of the case I have. But with the USB-C, you shouldn't have this longer extension. Check 1 2, check 1 2. This is the NPTCL microphone test. So to put the wind muff on, all you gotta do is just clip it over there. This is what it sounds like more up close. Check 1 2. Put the wind muff on here. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2. So you can hear how it sounds up close, a little bit further away. Check 1 2, test 1 2. So I'll let you be the judge of how it sounds. but this is just an overview, how it works, and what's included. So I'm going to test it, DJI Pocket 3. It's got the USB-C right here. So it does not power with this because this is drained. When I use the other adapter, it does indeed turn green there. Green is paired and working. And if you see, so what's really cool about using this microphone here is if I slide the slider to the right here, hit microphone, I could adjust the gain here. So if I put it real high, check 1, 2, you can see it's peaking, check 1, 2. If I move this down, check 1, 2, check 1, 2.